The orbital angular momentum of a satellite is L when it is revolving in a circular orbit at a height h from the Earth's surface. If the distance of the satellite from the Earth center is increased by 8 times to its initial value, then the new angular momentum will be. In given question, initially a satellite is revolving around the Earth in a circular orbit at a height h from the Earth center. We know the radius of the Earth. Total distance of the satellite from the Earth center, let it be r. R equals to radius of the Earth plus height of the satellite from the surface of the Earth. It is revolving in a circular orbit, so satellite possesses angular momentum. Given angular momentum is L. Angular momentum formula: mass of the satellite into orbital velocity into distance of the satellite from the Earth center. Orbital velocity formula: square root of gm by r. Orbital velocity depends upon the mass of the Earth, not the mass of the satellite. So here capital M is the mass of the Earth. Now write this r also in square root, then it becomes r square. One r get cancelled. Mass of the satellite, gravitational constant, mass of the Earth. These three are constants. So, angular momentum is directly proportional to square root of r. Take this is equation 1. Now, the distance of the satellite from the Earth center increases to 8 times. Increases to 8 times. Initial distance r, now it is increases to 8 times. The final distance becomes to 9 r. Now, L2 proportional to square root of 9r. Now take L2 by L1 is equals to square root of 9r by square root of r. Then L2 is equals to square root of 9r by r into L1. R get cancelled. Square root of 9 is equals to 3 and initial angular momentum is L. The final angular momentum is 3 times to the initial angular momentum. Fourth option is correct.